If you need a comeback, financially, mentally, academically, or physically, you don't need motivation. You need a 30-day correction plan. Here are 10 specific rules. Follow them exactly. 1. Audit your time like it's money. For 3 days, track every hour. Not roughly, exactly. Where did it go? Who did you give it to? What produced nothing? Most people don't need more time. They need awareness. Clarity kills delusion. 2. Remove one identity that's holding you back. Stop saying, I'm bad at math. I'm not disciplined. I'm just a procrastinator. For 30 days, you don't get that identity. You act opposite to it daily. Comebacks require identity shifts, not just behavior tweaks. 3. Create a personal standard document. Write 1 page. What time you wake up, what you tolerate, what you don't, how you handle setbacks. Minimum daily output. Print it. Read it every morning. Most people fail because their standards change with their mood. Yours won't. 4. Replace consumption with creation. For every 30 minutes you consume, you must produce something. Read 30 minutes, write notes. Watch a video, apply 1 idea. Scroll 30 minutes, post something useful. No more passive existence. Creation rebuilds confidence. 5. Eliminate reaction time. When something needs to be done and it takes under 5 minutes, do it immediately. Cleaning, scheduling, replying, delaying small tasks builds mental clutter. Quick action builds sharpness. 6. Set a 72-hour execution rule. If you plan something, you must start it within 72 hours. Not research, not prepare endlessly. Start. Momentum beats perfection. 7. Build one scarcity rule. Artificial scarcity creates urgency. For example, only 2 hours daily for social media. Only 3 meals, no snacking. Only 1 streaming day per week. When access is limited, focus increases. 8. Make yourself slightly uncomfortable daily. 1 action daily that stretches you. Speak up. Send the risky text. Ask the question. Increase the weight. Wake up earlier. Comfort preserves your current life. Discomfort builds the next one. 9. Score your days. Every night, rate your day. Not based on feelings, based on standards. Under 7, why? What broke? Tracking performance creates accountability. 10. Do 1 thing that compounds. Every day, do 1 action that still benefits you 6 months from now. Skill building, networking, investing, writing, fitness. Comebacks fail when effort only solves today. Think compounding. 30 days of this won't make you perfect, but it will rebuild discipline, identity, and trust in yourself. And that's all a comeback needs.